Do you know which sector recorded stunning growth during COVID pandemic? Do you know which sector has seen a huge increase in its users? It's EdTech sector, educational technology. With schools and colleges shut during this COVID lockdown, EdTech has saved millions of teachers, students, and parents, I would say. EdTech facilitated e learning, and students all over the world were able to continue with their education from the comfort of their home. The learn from home technology was never appreciated and it was not utilized to its full prior to COVID pandemic. But COVID lockdown opened up the eyes of millions and millions about the misconceptions they carried about e-learning. Now I can say there is a remarkable shift in the attitude towards the adoption of online as a mode for education and learning. Nowadays, not only academic students but people from different sphere have embraced e-learning and they are enrolling in online courses to improve their skill set and knowledge. Working executives, they enroll online courses to improve their on the job skills. Professionals, they regularly enroll online courses to improve their professional skills. Entrepreneurs, they regularly enroll online courses to improve their businesses. And if you take teachers, professors, they regularly enroll online courses to learn new things and to keep themselves abreast with latest developments. Online coaches like me also enroll various online courses to know what are the various technologies and platforms that are available now to sell online courses. So it's a booming sector now. I have a report released by KPMG India and Google on the topic Online Education in India 2021. I'll just read out the key point. The market for online education in India is expected to witness a magnificent growth of 8 times in 3 years. Such high growth in online education market is projected to be the outcome of the increased number of paid online education users from 1.57 million in 2016 to 9.5 million in 2021. The Indian edtech market is estimated to touch $3.5 billion by the year 2022. In the coming years, edtech will no longer be limited to K-12 space but will move beyond K-12 and include skill development and learning management systems. So it's an amazing opportunity. Anyone with good knowledge and skill set will be able to monetize it by teaching it to others. And for this, you don't need huge infrastructure. For this, you don't need several staff. You don't need huge investment. You also don't need high level of technical knowledge. You can do this just by working from your home. That's what our teachers are doing, right? They are working from home. So just by working from your home, you will be able to create online courses and you can sell them across the world. So if you have right attitude, knowledge, skill set and passion to teach others and help others, then this is going to be a life-changing platform for you. Wait. Do I have necessary qualification to say all this? Is this your question? What do I know about online teaching? What do I know about online course sales? Or what do I know about LMS? If you have questions like this, for that my answer, ladies and gentlemen, I am CA in Raja, Chartered Accountant by qualification and teacher by passion. I started my online teaching career with Udemy. It's 7 years now. More than 1,75,000 students have enrolled in my 100 plus courses in Udemy, and more than 19,000 students have enrolled in my own platform. I believe this qualification is sufficient enough for me to give you necessary guidance. In this course, I will take you through how you can create an online course, how you should structure an online course, how to sell courses through your own platform, how to sell courses through third party platform, how to attract buyers for your courses, that is students for your courses, and how to increase organic sales for your courses. Whoever watching this in YouTube, if you are really interested in making a career through online teaching, please fill the form given below in the description. I'm coming out with a course called Learn How to Monetize Your Skills Through Online Teaching. A course that will make you to, or that will enable you to work from home and enjoy the lifestyle of comfort and joy. Fill the form, make yourself eligible for early bird discount, and I'll see you soon inside the course.